Let me show you how you can get your TikTok account back. Watch this video until the very end so that you won't make any mistake in the process. Now let's get started. Before moving on, let me tell you that TikTok suspends or bans those accounts that violate the community guidelines. But sometimes your account can also get suspended without you doing anything. If you've done nothing, then you can try the process of this video. Now to report this problem, you need to open a new account of TikTok. Now open the TikTok app. Now from there, tap on profile on the bottom right of the screen. Now from your profile section, tap on three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap setting and privacy from the menu. Then tap on account option from the account section. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and then tap on report a problem. After that, tap on account and profile option. Now tap on login and here tap on suspended account. Now tap on no button. After that, tap on need more help. Now in this page, type in your username and report the problem. Now after mentioning your username and typing your problem, tap on submit button. Now after you submit the report, TikTok will send you an email after few days and you should be able to get your account back. And just like that, you can get your TikTok account back. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back soon with similar videos. Keep watching.